How to use the Costco Citi Card for international purchases. Let's get started. Traveling internationally with your Costco Citi Card can be a breeze, but it's essential to understand the fees and tips to make the most of your card while abroad. In this video, we will guide you through everything you need to know. First off, let's talk about foreign transaction fees. Unlike many other credit cards, the Costco Citi Card typically does not charge these fees, saving you money on every purchase you make overseas. Before jetting off, it's crucial to ensure that your Costco Citi Card is widely accepted in the countries you plan to visit. Visa and MasterCard, the network's Costco Citi Cards typically run on, are accepted globally, but it's always wise to double-check. When using your Costco Citi Card abroad, transactions will be converted from the local currency to US dollars. Keep in mind that the exchange rate used may not always be the most favorable, but Costco Citi Cards generally offer competitive rates. Before your trip, remember to notify Citi about your travel plans. This can help prevent any issues with your card being flagged for potential fraud when used in unfamiliar locations. While you can use your Costco Citi Card to withdraw cash from ATM abroad, be aware of potential fees from both the ATM operator and Citi. It's always best to carry some local currency for small purchases to avoid excessive ATM fees. Throughout your trip, monitor your transactions closely and report any suspicious activity to Citi immediately. This can help prevent any unauthorized charges and ensure a smooth experience abroad. And don't forget to pay in the local currency whenever possible to avoid dynamic currency conversion fees. This ensures you are getting the best exchange rate available. So there you have it. With these tips in mind, you can confidently use your Costco Citi Card for international purchases, saving money and maximizing benefits while exploring the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel tips and financial advice.